Hi, this is Sheena with the Pittsburgh Technology Council, and today you are watching 40 Stories. This is a program where we celebrate our member companies, and today we have Melissa Vecchi from JV Manufacturing with us.
Hello.
Thank you so much for coming in today.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited.
We're excited to have you too. Can you tell me more about JV and what you do?
Yeah, sure. So JV Manufacturing is a tool and die and stamping facility located in Natron Heights, Pennsylvania. Between our two facilities, it's about 130,000 square feet. We have about 120 employees who make all the magic happen. And we're getting ready to celebrate 50 years in the industry next year. So we've been around for a little while and getting really excited with some of the long-time partnerships that we've had over 50 years. But if you're not familiar with tool and die, as I wasn't whenever I first was introduced to it, we basically make the tooling for our customers to make their product. And some of our customers produce their product themselves from the tools we use, like, say, the United States Penny. We make the blanks for them, but we don't make them, obviously, in Natron Heights, Pennsylvania, but our tool does. And then other customers, like some saw blades and things like that, we make here in Natron Heights. And we do the whole turnkey kind of system for customers as well.
Oh, that's so cool. And I imagine, like, with that kind of work, like, there's a lot of precision that's involved, right?
It's insane. I always say that the machinists are the artist. You know, they're just masters. I don't even know what else to say. The tolerances that they have to use and hold to is just incredible. I mean, the pressure of the dies coming down in the presses, you know, one little size or measurement off could just destroy the whole die. So it's very impressive what they're capable of doing.
Yeah, no pressure. Jeez.
Yeah, exactly.
So, yeah, I wanted to point out, it looks like next year you're celebrating 50 years in business. And also, JV is a family business, right?
It is, yes, yeah. So my husband's grandfather, John Vecchi, started it in 1975. Ryan and I accumulated the business from his father in 2020. And we've been kind of steadfast ever since and kind of growing. And so we're really excited about 50 years and celebrating that with not only our current customer base and our current employee base, but retirees, long-term partners, you know, Pittsburgh area who's supported us, like Pittsburgh Tech. So we plan on having a big party this coming June. So
awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, we recently celebrated 40 years, 50 years, even bigger deal. That's
yeah,
so cool.
Yeah.
So, yes, I imagine in the past 50 years, I'm sure that the precision in that has always been a requirement, always there, but I'm sure, like, some things have changed in the past 50 years.
Yes. Yeah, technology has obviously changed quite a bit. It's great with the 50th coming up. I've been able to look at old photos and see kind of how the engineers were designing dies back in 1979 or, 78 with their big tables and paper and sketching everything out. Today we have simulation software and countless other types of technology to help them make those precision parts into print and then out on the shop floor. JV is really big in the tech field for manufacturing, so we have some new equipment coming next year. Actually, one was just delivered. It was a laser cutter, bringing new opportunities for our customer base for us to provide other services and solutions. And then we have a big press coming at the beginning of Q1 next year. That's something completely new to us, and we're pretty excited about. So,
I'm looking forward to spreading the word when you're ready.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah.
But so is looking forward in your industry, in the next who knows, 40, 50 years, are there any potential big changes you could see coming?
Yeah, honestly, I see a lot in the vision software systems. Some of the parts we inspect in our facility require a lot of stress and measurements on our employees. So we love to give them the capabilities of having that technology and using some vision software to make it a faster process for them, as well as maybe a little stress-free. So, yeah, I think that's a big one that'll be changing here soon.
Cool. So I have one more question for you.
Yeah.
And that is why did JV join the Technology Council?
Honestly, for opportunities. We learned about what you all do in the Pittsburgh area and how we can not only learn from some of the great opportunities that you provide to the members, but how we can, maybe teach something as well to others in the network. So, yeah, it's been a great membership and partnership since we've started.
Nice. I'm so happy to hear that, because also, yeah, it sounds like you guys have so much to give too. So,
Thanks.
yeah, thank you for coming in today.
Thank you. Yeah.